पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय ईशावास्य उपनिषद। We are seeing the seventh mantra. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैवाभूत विजानतः तत्र को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः। So परमार्थ वस्तु विजानतः, the person who knows परमार्थ वस्तु, तत्र तस्मिन् काले को मोहः कः शोकः, where is मोह and शोक। टीका we have to see now। निरतिशयानंद स्वरूपम अतएव दुःखास्पृष्टम आत्मानं अजानतः शोको भवति। आत्मानं अजानतः, द पर्सन हु डज नॉट नो आत्मा, आत्मा को नहीं जानने वाला, तस्य शोको भवति, ही विल हैव sorrow, grief। what kind of atma person who does not know? निरतिशय आनंद स्वरूपम, आत्मा is निरतिशय आनंद स्वरूप। अतएव दुख अस्पृष्टम, and therefore it is untouched by sorrow। दुखेन अस्पृष्टः यह आत्मा, that atma which is untouched by sorrow। यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुखेन गुरुणापि विचाल्यते। महद दुखम also, if it is there, that person knows I the atma am not disturbed। Person who has identified his mind with atma, in that mind also there is no expression of sorrow anymore। So atma is niratishaya ananda, therefore dukkha cannot touch that atma, therefore there is no shoka। The person who does not know will have shoka। What is the nature of that shoka? It is given। हा हतोहम न मे पुत्रो अस्ति न मे क्षेत्रम इति। Alas, I am in distress। हतोहम, killed I am। हतः। न मे पुत्रो अस्ति, I don't have son। Lot of people cry because they don't have a son, and lot of people cry because they have son who gives dukkham। न मे पुत्रो अस्ति न मे क्षेत्रम, I don't have lot of land, means I don't have wealth। ततः, so after that what do they do? पुत्रादीन कामयते, they go and do कामना for putra। तदर्थम देवता आराधनादि चिकीर्षति, they do देवता आराधनम। They go to temples, they do puja, Bhagavan give me a son। पुत्रादीन कामयते तदर्थम देवता आराधनादि चिकीर्षति। Let us see some tippanis। 10 number। 10 number means the one which is on niratishaya, that number। अविद्याकृतो विपर्ययो मोह पदार्थ। Moha is there because of. So question is, kah shokah, ko shokah, ko mohah, ka shokah. Moha is there only because of avidya. Avidyakrita viparita bhavana is called moha. So what is the viparita bhavana? That I am niratishaya ananda swarupa and my complaint is ha hatoham. Oh, I am destroyed, killed. I don't have son. Means son will give me sukham. I don't have kshetram. Kshetram will give me sukham. I don't have them in this way. न मे पुत्रो अस्ति न मे क्षेत्रम इति. ततः पुत्रादीन कामयते. सो इन टिप्पणी अजानतः मीन्स दुखित्वादिना विपर्यस्यता इति. The one who has viparit bhavana that I am dukhi even though he is ananda swarupa. अविद्यैव वा मोह शब्दार्थः. And because of that, putra, kshetra ityadi kamana he has. In टीका देवताराधनादि चिकीर्षति न तु आत्मैकत्वं पश्यतः ततो अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम शोकादेर अविद्या कार्यत्व अवधारणात् मूला विद्या निवृत्त्यैव शोकादेर आत्यंतिकी निवृत्तिर विद्याफलत्वेन विवक्षिता. लयमात्रस्य सुषुप्ते अपि भावात् इत्याह. न तु आत्मैकत्वं पश्यतः. The one who has atma ekatva jnanam means there is only one atma, that I am, that is Jagat Adhishthanam. So on this we will do some thinking. Atmaikatvam pashyatah tato anvay vyatirekaabhyam. So now through anvay vyatireka it is clear. Person who does not know Atma has shoka moha. Person who knows Atma has no shoka moha. Therefore, the knower does not have shoka moha. In other words, jnanam is shoka moha nivritti karanam. All of you keep mute. Somebody is making some noise. अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम शोकादेहे अविद्या कार्यत्व अवधारणात्. शोक मोहादि इज अविद्या कार्यम बिकॉज अविद्या सत्वे शोक मोहादि सत्वम, अविद्या भावे शोक मोहादि अभाव. दिस इज अन्वय व्यतिरेक सिद्धम. अवधारणात् बिकॉज ऑफ दिस निश्चय ज्ञानम. अवधारणम मीन्स निश्चय ज्ञानम. मूला विद्या निवृत्त्यैव शोकादेहे आत्यंतिकी निवृत्ति. When मूला विद्या is destroyed, then only shoka moha आत्यंतिकी निवृत्ति takes place. आत्यंतिकी निवृत्ति. And that is विद्या फलत्वेन विवक्षिता. This is the विद्यायाः फलम. ब्रह्म ज्ञान फलम, ब्रह्म विद्या फलम इज व्हाट? शोकादेहे आत्यंतिकी निवृत्ति. मीन्स शोक मोह दे गो एंड दे डोंट कम बैक. इन सुषुप्ति दे गो बट दे कम बैक. लय मात्रस्य सुषुप्ते अपि भावात्. इन सुषुप्ति देर इज लय ऑफ शोकमोहा. In Vidya, there is Atyantiki Nivritti of Shokamoha. Layamatrasya Sushupte api bhavat. So, what is this Atmaikatvam? because in last two mantras, 6th and 7th, we have seen the one who sees himself, sarvabhutastham atmanam, sarvabhutani cha atmani, yassu sarvani bhutani, atmanyevanu pashyati, sarvabhuteshu cha atmanam, tato na vijugupsate. He who sees himself in all and all in himself. So we have inquired this a little. So we should not make an attempt that, oh, I have to see all in myself. I have to see all in myself. This is not how this mantra will become my Jivan Mukti Avastha. What I have to do is, first I have to understand Ahankara is not me. I am Chaitanya in which Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira, their Abhava is there. This is who I am. This is Atma, number one. Next is, this Atma is Ananta, infinite Brahma. Now third is, what is the nature of that Brahma? So that Brahma is Jagat Karanam, Jagad Adhishthanam. So I have to understand all Pancha Mahabhuta and their Karya are from me, because I am Brahma. Brahma is Jagad Adhishthanam, so I am Jagad Adhishthanam. Therefore, all Namarupas, they appear in me, because I am Brahma. Don't remain at this individual Aham level and start thinking, all are in me, all are in me. You will get mental shock. And I am in all because there is nothing other than myself who is expressing. All are Nama Rupa only, they are Vivarta. So unless I am firm in this, that I am Brahma, that Brahma is Jagat Adhishthanam. Adhisthana means it is Vivarta Upadana Karanam, therefore all this is me. Then whatever is said here is true for me. There is no shortcut that I have to see all in myself, but that's all. That way it will not work. And how all this will be known? Only when I do thorough Vedanta Vichara, as well as I have extreme purity of mind. With these two it will happen. Mula Vidya is that Vidya because of which I, even though I am Ananda Swarupa, Niratishaya Ananda, on that Ananda Swarupa there is Avarana. And then there is Vikshepa in the form of I am a man, woman, I am Karta, Bhokta, I am going through karma, I have prarabdha. All these ideas are Vikshepa. So when Mula Vidya is gone, Avarana is also gone, Vikshepa is also gone. And that Nivritti is Atyantiki. Sixteenth Tippani you see. Atyantiki Nivritti Riti. Nivritter Atyantikatvam Nama. What is Atyantika Nivritti? Swapratiyogi Pragabhava Asamana Kalinatvam. This we already saw. Where did we see recently? You cannot forget this quickly. Anybody remembers or not? Okay, first of all, does it sound familiar? Because it has to be, because I have said we have seen, so you will say yes. Mandukya.
Mandukya.
Where in Mandukya?
Morning class.
There are 3-4 classes. So somebody will say Mandukya, somebody will say morning class. In Tarka Sangrah, at the end of the Padakritya Tika, 21 types of Dukkha Nivritti. Atyantika Dukkha Nivritti, you remember any such thing vaguely?
Yes, Swamiji. Now it
Now it is there. Okay, now read what was given there.
स्वसमानाधिकरण दुःख प्रागभाव
Asaman
असमान
Kalinatvam.
underlined it.
This is Atyantika Nivritti of Jnanam. Is gone 3-4 days and it is out. But anyway, so this is Atyantika Nivritti here. So Pratiyogi Pragabhava Asamana Kalinatvam. So Nivritti means it has no Pragabhava anymore. See, in Sushupti, when there is laya of Shoka Moha, its Pragabhava is present. Means in the morning, again Shoka Moha will come back. That is called Pragabhava. Ghatasya Pragabhava means Ghata is going to come up now. It is just absent for some time. Here what is said, Swapratiyogi Pragabhava, Nivritti of anything, of Shoka Moha. Swa means Shoka, Moha, whatever, Dukkha you can take. Swapratiyogi Pragabhava Asamana Kalinatvam. In that Kala, when it is gone, its Pragabhava is not present. Means it is gone for good. This Bhasha, Swapratiyogi Pragabhava Asamana Kalinatvam, is Nyaya Bhasha. Okay. So with this, let us see. The Tika is over. See Bhasha now. Shokascha Mohascha Kama Karma Bijam Ajanato Bhavati. It is on the same page in Bhashya, second line. Shokascha Mohascha Kama Karma Bijam Ajanato Bhavati. Shokaha and Moha. Who will have Shoka Moha?
The one who does not know the origin or source of
Kama Karma. So, but it is not to be understood that way here. It seems that Shoka Moha will be for the one who does not know the origin of Kama Karma. Kama Karma Bijam Ajanataha. So, the one who does not know. So, here it is not to be understood that way. Here, how we should understand? Shoka Moha is for that person who has Kama Karma Bija. Kama Karma Bijam Ajanataha. Ajanataha, 5 number tippani. Ajnanataha. Main shabda is that. Mohasya Viparya Pakshe Ajnanataha. Ajanataha you have to understand as Ajnanataha. So because of Ajnanat, Ajanataha is Panchami you have to take. Ajnanat. Kama Karma Bijam. What is Kama Karma Bijam? Ajnanam. So, the one who has this Ajnanam, which Ajnanam? That Ajnanam which is the Bijam for Kama Karma. Bhavati. Natu Atmaikatvam Vishuddham Gaganopamam Pashyatah. But the one who sees Atmaikatvam Vishuddham Gaganopamam, Atma which is Vishuddha, pure, gaganopamam, like akasha. And ekatvam, the one who sees, who understands, there is only one Chaitanya. There is no other Chaitanya. That person will not have shoka moha. Ko moha ka shokaha iti shoka mohayoho avidya karyayoho akshepena asambhava pradarshanath. Where is the shoka, where is moha? So it is not a question, it is not prashna, it is akshepa. Akshepa to say he will not have shoka, he will not have moha. How can he have shoka moha? Iti shoka mohayoho avidya karyayoho. Shoka and moha are avidya karya. Akshepena asambhava pradarshana. Shoka moha is asambhava if he has Brahma Jnanam. If Brahma Jnanam is there, shoka moha is not there. If shoka moha is there, Brahma Jnanam is not there yet. Akshepena asambhava pradarshanath sakaranasya samsarasya atyantam evo chhedah pradarshito bhavati. Then for that person, samsarasya atyantam eva uchchedah pradarshito bhavati. Sansara is completely eradicated. Along with what? Pay attention in the book. Sakaranasya, along with its karanam, avidya. Sakaranasya samsarasya atyantameva uchchedah pradarshito bhavati. Nine number tippani. Nine means whatever in atyantam. Sansarasya atyantam. Nanu sakaranasya visheshanat sansarochchedavat tat karanocchedasyapi atyantikatvam labhyate. Samsara uchcheda. So its karana is avidya. Avidya uchcheda also should be atyantika. Okay. So we agree with that. Purvapaksha says, Tatra karyochchedasya tu karana nivritya eva. Karya uchcheda is because of karana nivritti. How will karana uchcheda happen? Karana uchcheda means from its root, how completely it will be eradicated. Karana uchchedasya tu kutaha tat. Kutaha tat. Tat means atyantikatvam. Karanocchedasya tu kutaha atyantikatvam. Karya uchchedasya atyantikatvam karananivritya. Karana uchchedasya tu atyantikatvam kutaha iti chet. Up to this pankti is clear. So what is his question? Karya uchcheda will happen when karana nivritti happens. Karana nivritti or karana uchcheda atyantikatvam, how will it happen? We say by jnanam. So our question will be, okay, jnanam will remove ajnanam. Then when jnanam is not there, ajnanam will come back. So the answer is given here. Karanasya anaditvena nashadurdhvam anutpadat iti grihana. Karana is anadi. Anadi means once it is destroyed, knowledge has come, ajnanam is gone. After that, ajnana utpatti cannot happen. Why? Because if utpatti happens, it will become sadi. Avidya is anadi. See, differently he has explained this. So that means once avidya is gone, it cannot come back. In Tattvabodha, I think this is explained. Anadi avidya anirvachya. Right? This is called Karana in Tattvabodha. So Anadi means once it is gone, then it cannot come back. If it comes back, and then it will have beginning. It will become Adi. Then somebody says your Lakshana is wrong. You make it Adi only, having Adi. So then avidya can come and go whenever it wants. So you see, that avidya is not a problem. That which comes and goes is not a problem for us anyway. Okay. So अत्यंतमेव उच्छेदः प्रदर्शितो भवति. टीका इन भाष्य योयम अतीतैर्मन्त्रैरुक्त आत्मा स स्वेन रूपेण किं लक्षण इत्याहायम मंत्रः. इत्याहायम मंत्रः means how many padas are there? Ityahayam. Ityahayam means what?
इति आह अयम मंत्रः.
हाँ, इति आह अयम. Three padas are there. And kim lakshanah means? Kim lakshanah is a samasa.
Singular.
It is a samasta pada. Kaha lakshanah kim lakshanam yasya saha kim lakshanah. Kim lakshanam yasya. What is the lakshana of that atma? Means कौन से लक्षण वाला है, कौन से लक्षण वाला is atma. Svena rupena, by itself, what is the lakshana of that atma? Which atma? Yo ayam atitaihi mantraihi uktaha. That atma which is already said about the earlier mantras, what is its lakshana by itself? So you said anejadekam manaso javiya, it is faster than mind, devatas cannot reach, ityadi ityadi, na ejati, na ejati, dure, antike. And then you said it is with respect to upadhi, it is with respect to ajnanis, it is dura, etc. What is its lakshana? That we have not said. We said we will say. 1 number tippani you see. वृद्धास्तावत् उपनिषद शैलीं परिबभणुः अध्यारोपापवादाभ्यां निष्प्रपंचम प्रपंच्यते इति. वृद्धाः, वृद्धा मीन्स
Knowledgeable.
wise people. ज्ञान वृद्धाः, not वयो वृद्धाः, ज्ञान वृद्धाः. तावत् उपनिषद शैलीं, the style of Upanishad, Upanishad Shaili. Paribabhanuhu, Paribabhanuhu. Babhana, Babhanutuhu, Babhanuhu. Bha, Bhan dhatu. Bhan dhatu is there. भर्ण शब्दार्थे. In Saddarshanam, one shloka is there. Pashyanti keva bhuvanam bhanantu. Bhanantu comes at the end. That is the same bhan dhatu. Pari is the upasarga. Shailim. You know what is Shaili? Upanishad Shailim. Shailim, style means, how is that word formed? Shaili. I have explained all these things, but you don't listen to whatever I have taught, and you listen to your own pravachans, I'm sure. Shilat Jata iti Shaili. Shaili means Gangaji is called Shaili because it is born out of Shila, Himalaya. Shilat Jata iti Shaili. Another name is Shailaja. So, what is the style? Style is that which has come through tradition, parampara. So, like whenever a river goes through a particular path, right? Slowly it becomes a pata. Pata only they call it. That nadi creates a groove. Even if there is no water, you can see that area. That here, like this Chandrabhaga and some other places, Gangaji used to be more. Now, if there is less water or some offshoot is not there during these months, you can still see that this is the path through which it has come. This is called Shaili. Upanishad Shailim Paribhavanam. Okay. Now he summarizes everything in there. You see, in the Tippani further. Taya eva atra Isha इत्याद्या मंत्रे आद्य मंत्रे सर्वेश्वरत्वेन आत्मा उक्तः. ईशावास्यम इदम शब्द. बाय ईश शब्द सर्वेश्वर आत्मा उक्तः. सर्वेश्वरत्वेन आत्मा उक्तः. सेकंड मंत्र कुर्वन् इति द्वितीये कर्माधिकारित्वेन. सेकंड मंत्र tells who is the कर्माधिकारी, आत्मा only. असूर्या इति तृतीये असूर्य लोक प्रापक अज्ञान विषयत्वेन आत्मा उक्तः. एवं अनेजत इत्यादि मंत्र द्वये अनेजत्वम एकम उक्त्वा अन्यत् सर्वम अध्यारोपेण एव उक्तम. Atma's nature is anejat and eka. Everything else is adhyaropa. Faster than mind, devatas could not reach, and dure, etc. is adhyaropa. यस्त्वित्यादि मंत्रयोः अपि आरोप सापेक्ष एव स उक्तः. And यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि इत्यादि. सो सर्वाणि भूतानि ऑल इज आरोप सापेक्ष. देयर ऑल्सो आत्मा इज आरोप सापेक्ष उक्तः. ऑल ऑफ यू आर फॉलोइंग वेयर आई एम रीडिंग इन टिप्पणी 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. हाँ, ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग ईच मंत्र वट एवर वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, दैट व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन ऑफ दैट मंत्र विथ आत्मा. So adhyaropa apavad he said. So he is showing wherever adhyaropa is done, all of that. See, this is their original thinking. They, you say, but in those days there were no phones, there was no messaging, they didn't have light. All the time what were they doing? Thinking only. They were not so advanced like us, you know. We go on texting people unnecessarily. How advanced we are. They were not doing that. That's why they could write all these wonderful things. Samprati tu apavada prakriya. Now 8th mantra is apavada prakriya. Saparyagat ityadi ardhena savaktavya. So the first half is apavada. Then kavir manishi, the kavihi iti ardhena tu पुनः आरोपेण एव. अगेन देर इज आरोप. इति मनीषया अवतारयति योयम. So that is what is yaha ayam. Yaha means that, ayam means this. That this Atma means that Atma which we have said earlier, but it is this means whose prakranam is going on, or it is this means most aparoksha, atyanta aparoksha Atma. Saparyagaat shukramakaayam avranam shuddhamapapaviddham.
सपर्यगात् शुक्रमकायमव्रणमस्नाविरं
कविर्मनीषी परिभू स्वयंभूर्याथा तथ्यतोर्थान् व्यदधात् शाश्वतीभ्यः समाभ्यः. याथा तथ्यतः, not यथा तथ्यतः. So this Atma has certain lakshanas. Main thing you just understand, the word for word we will see tomorrow, that this Atma is Sharir Traya Vilakshana. It is different from the three Shariras, Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira and Karana Sharira. Sharir Traya Vilakshana Atma Nirdesha. That is the main topic here. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.